Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a website using Claude AI in step-by-step. This method is simple and does not require advanced coding skills. Even if you are a beginner, you can follow along and build your own website by the end. Building a website used to take a lot of time and effort. You had to learn HTML, CSS, and sometimes JavaScript. You also needed design skills to make the website look good. But now, with AI tools like Claude, most of that work can be done for you. You just need to give the right instructions, and Claude will generate the code and content. First, you need to open Claude in your browser. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are inside the chat interface, you will see a text box where you can type your instructions. This is where everything starts. Before you ask Claude to build a website, take a moment to decide what type of website you want. This step is very important because your instructions depend on your goal. For example, you might want to create a portfolio website to show your work, a small business website, a product landing page, or a blog. For this tutorial, let us create a simple business website for a digital service. This will include a homepage, services section about section, and a contact form. Now go to Claude and type a clear prompt. For example, you can write something like create a modern responsive website using HTML and CSS for a digital services company. Include a homepage with a hero section, services section about section, and a contact form. After typing your prompt, send it and wait for Claude to generate the code. This usually takes a few seconds. Once it is done, you will see a full block of code. This code will include HTML for structure and CSS for design. Sometimes it may also include JavaScript for simple interactions. Scroll through the response, and you will notice different sections in the code. There will be a header with a navigation menu, a hero section with a title and button, a services section showing what the company offers, an about section, and a contact form at the bottom. Now that you have the code, the next step is to test it. Select all the code and copy it. Then open a text editor on your computer. You can use any basic editor like Notepad or a more advanced one if you have one. Paste the code into the editor and save the file as index.html. Make sure the file extension is .html and not .txt. This is very important. After saving the file, double-click it to open it in your browser. You will now see your website. It will already have a layout, colors, text, and sections. This is your starting point. Now you can begin customizing the website. If you do not like something in the design, you can go back to Claude and ask for changes. For example, you can say change the color scheme to dark mode with black highlights. Claude will update the code and give you a new version. You can replace the old code in your file with the new one and refresh your browser to see the changes. You can also ask Claude to improve specific parts of the website. For example, you can say make the hero section more attractive with a larger headline and a call to action button. Or you can say improve the services section with icons and better spacing. Claude will generate updated code based on your request. This allows you to improve your website step by step without writing everything yourself. Next, you can add real content to the website. The text generated by Claude is usually just placeholder content. You should replace it with your own information. You can either edit the text directly in the HTML file or ask Claude to generate better content. For example, you can ask it to write professional content for a digital marketing agency website, including homepage headline, service descriptions, and about section. Claude will give you a ready-to-use text. You can copy and paste it into your code. This saves time and helps you create a more professional website. Now let us talk about images. A good website should include images to make it look more appealing. You can ask Claude to add image placeholders in the code. For example, you can say add image sections to the homepage and services section. Claude will update the code with image tags. You can then replace the image links with your own images. You can use free stock image websites to find suitable images for your website. Make sure the images are relevant to your content and are not too large in size. Large images can slow down your website. Another important part of a website is navigation. Your visitors should be able to move between sections easily. Claude usually adds a navigation menu at the top. If it does not, you can ask for it. For example, you can ask it to add a fixed navigation bar with links to each section of the page. Claude will generate the code for that. You can then test it later by clicking the links and seeing if they scroll to the correct sections. Now, let us improve mobile responsiveness. This means your website should look good on phones and tablets as well as computers. Most users today visit websites on mobile devices, so this is very important. You can ask Claude to update your code for better responsiveness. For example, you can say make this website fully responsive for mobile devices. Claude will adjust the CSS using techniques like flexible layouts and media queries. After updating your code, save the file and open it again in your browser. Try resizing the window to see how the layout changes. It should adjust smoothly to different screen sizes. Now let us add some interactive features. These features make your website more engaging. For example, you can add a contact form that users can fill out. If your current website already has a form, you can improve it. You can ask Claude to add input validation or better styling. For example, you can say improve the contact form with a better design and validation. You can also add buttons with hover effects, smooth scrolling, or simple animations. Just describe what you want in simple words, and Claude will generate the code. As you continue working on your website, always test your changes. After every update, open the file in your browser and check if everything works correctly. This helps you catch errors early. Check that all links are working, buttons are clickable, and images are loading properly. Also, check that the layout looks good on different screen sizes. If you notice any issues, you can go back to Claude and describe the problem. For example, you can say the layout breaks on mobile or the button is not working. Claude can help you fix these issues by updating the code. Another useful step is organizing your project files. Instead of keeping everything in one file, you can separate your CSS and JavaScript into different files. This makes your project cleaner and easier to manage. You can ask Claude to split the code into separate files. For example, you can say separate this code into HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files. Claude will provide instructions and code for each file. You can then create new files and link them together. Once your website is complete, the final step is preparing it for publishing. You need to make sure everything is working perfectly. Go through each section and test it carefully. Check your text for spelling mistakes. Make sure your images are clear and properly placed. Test your contact form if possible. Also, check the website on different devices if you can. After testing, you can upload your website to a hosting service. There are many platforms where you can host your website. Some are free, but most are paid. You will need to upload your files to the hosting platform. Usually, you just upload your index.html file and any other related files like images and CSS. Once uploaded, your website will be live and accessible through a link. You can share this link with others or use it for your business or personal projects. Always use clear and specific prompts when working with Claude. The more details you provide, the better the result will be. Instead of asking for a full website in one step, build it gradually. Start with the basic structure, then improve each section one by one. This makes it easier to understand and control the output. Test your website frequently. Do not wait until the end to check everything. This helps you avoid bigger problems later. Keep your files organized. Use separate folders for images, styles, and scripts. This makes your project look more professional and easier to manage. Also, try to understand the code that Claude generates. Even a basic understanding will help you make better changes and fix issues faster. Using Claude to build websites is very powerful. It saves time and reduces the need for advanced coding skills. You can create a clean and functional website in a short time. With practice, you will get better at writing prompts and customizing the results. You can create more advanced websites and even offer this as a service. This method is especially useful if you are learning web development or want to create websites quickly for clients or personal projects. Now you know how to plan, generate, customize, and test a website using Claude AI. If you follow these steps, you will be able to create your own website without much difficulty. And that is how you can make a website using Claude AI step by step. Thanks for watching.